Keeping a gratitude journal can reduce stress, improve your relationships, and even help you sleep better. And guess what? It's super easy to get started. First, find an empty notebook to write in. You can also keep a digital gratitude journal on your phone or computer if that's easier for you. Start by writing down a few things you're grateful for each day. You can write about other people, yourself, things that happened to you recently, or anything else you're grateful for. For example, you might be grateful for how supportive your friends are, that you have a job you love, or how delicious your morning cup of coffee was. You can also start with a specific gratitude journal prompt like, name 3 people who supported you during a tough time, or what's one quality about yourself that you're grateful for and why. Use a new prompt for each entry if you're not sure what to write about. Try to get in the habit of writing in your gratitude journal every day to see the most benefits. Journaling will get easier the more you practice, and you may find yourself feeling more grateful in your day-to-day life.